All right, so let's do this last one. I'm going to make some room here. So you are designing a poster that's supposed to have 50 inches of printing. So when they give you a constraint like that, you want to make sure that you label this X and Y, right? X times Y is 50. Okay, so then there's going to be margins. All right, so let's put those in. 4-inch margins at the top and the bottom, 4 and 4, and then 2-inch margins on each side. Okay, so 2 and 2. Okay, so they want what the overall dimensions that will minimize the amount of paper. So this is going to be such a nice thing to substitute in. So the amount of paper will be all of this, which will be X plus 4, right? So X plus 4 times all of this, which will be the distance of Y plus 8. Now I can substitute this in, so let's just solve for Y. So I get 50 over X. So P is equal to X plus 4, 50 over X plus 8. And you can choose to do product rule. I'm just going to multiply it out because I think it's easier. This times this gives me 50. This one times this one gives me 8X. And then when I multiply this times this, I get plus 200 over X, and then this one times this one is plus a 32. All right, so now I'm ready to take the derivative because that's what I'm trying to find the minimum of, right? The minimum amount of paper. So derivative of that 0, derivative of this gives me 8. The derivative of this gives me negative 200 over X squared, and that's a 0. So set it equal to 0, so I get 8 equals 200 over X squared. So X squared is equal to 200 over 8. And that gives me X is equal to, that gives me just X is equal to 5. Okay, so there's 5. So for the X, and so then to answer the question, you want to find out what the Y is equal to. So the Y will equal to 10.